Welcome to the TV VHouse right here in the heart of Bali in Canggu. We just finished Coinfest, 3 days of non-stop action and parties and speakers, and now we all come here together.
The great events I ever been, so good, very good vibe here.
It's always the best people in the best rooms in the best places. Look at this place, it's gorgeous.
また会えたら嬉しいです。ありがとうございます。TDB 最高!
And of course, we're not just stopping in Bali, we're going to Korea for Korea Blockchain Week at the end of September, bringing the best event from all the international investors, founders, and builders in this space to one spot in Korea.